Do you have any idea why I paused the video? Well, it's because Maniac and Despair are possibly mental. They will say me monoxide, summon Klasky Csupo effects, discuss trampoline effects, second zones, etc. There's gonna be a lot of Klasky Csupo effects, GD faces, and more. So, that's all. I'm out of here.
Oh, nitrogen monoxide, why?
Stop saying
Now I have to deal with two mental of clones.
What the? Why is my AB clone and Joy Save clone here? Oh, nitrogen monoxide.
I
there.
said stop. Stop saying nitrogen monoxide. Despair, stop saying me monoxide.
Stop saying this.
I'm mad at you. And whenever I get mad, I raise my voice.
No, it isn't true. Disgust monoxide isn't her name.
Yes,
Yes, it is.
that's
Your message
not
is
my
nitrogen
name,
monoxide,
you
nitrogen
mental
monoxide.
of
Stop saying
difficulty.
nitrogen monoxide. Stop trogen monoxide. Stop
My ears
saying
hurt
trogen
because
monoxide.
disgust became
I
mad
can't say
already.
it correctly.
I
Major
said stop summoning
Major 54.
effects. Grara.
Stop saying gibberish.
Shut up, Maniac and Despair.
Now I Duke V3.
No one likes you. You're being so mental. Stop it right now.
Disgust monoxide.
You're making me angry.
Stop saying disgust
Stop
monoxide.
saying disgust monoxide.
Just.
Did you hear me?
Here.
Now, I don't want to hear you say disgust monoxide.
My ARS.
What's happening?
Clone here. Oh, delusionalistic Joy here. Nitrogen
Stop
monoxide.
saying
Stop calling Joy delusional.
Now I'm sulfur monoxide deaf that I can't hear anymore. Sulfur monoxide.
Freak. That IT, nitrogen monoxide, anger monoxide, joy monoxide, envy monoxide, disgust monoxide.
What did I tell you?
Monoxide, sadness, monoxide.
No. More.
Stop.
Disgust monoxide. Stop. IT.
IT.
Right.
OL.
And
Hello. Oh no, me got infected. I did my potatoes.
Bro,
That's enough.
what is he talking about?
No, not Klasky Csupo. You have to see CSCO.
Hey everyone, look what I have.
You stole Babying's cookie. How dare you? That's IT. Give that cookie back to Babying right now or you will regret this.
Stupid to that cookie.
Says who? The one who can't control his mind.
Shut up.
What did you just call me, you mental toddler?
I said what I said. Anyways, I'll eat this cookie.
You better not grararara.
Babying's cookie. It belongs to him.
Too bad. I'll eat it. I'm getting hungry anyways.
Stop acting like that.
He's going to be mad at you. Don't you dare.
I'm still doing it, and no one can stop me.
Oh yeah.
This is your last
Then who?
warning. If
It's
you
going
need
to be
do
discussed
something
who is the
bad,
only one who
I
should
warn
stop
you
these to
now.
mental love clones.
Do. IT.
Well, when you do it, he'll be fat.
Shut up.
I don't care. I'll do it now. I'm hungry.
Even Nexus continues. Stop acting like a virus.
No, he won't, Lamphao. He's such a weak ball.
YEI-ha-ha-ha-fisha-ho 8V3WH3A OHV stop or gibberish.
I'm gonna go eat Agonizing's Oreos.
Methodist continues. You are a
Gonna
thief.
go ahead and steal stuff from people. That is robbing someone.
Yes,
Does that
you are a
mean
thief.
because I care at all? No, so leave me alone. I already ate a fudging cookie.
Hey,
Why do I
nitrogen
have to eat
monoxide more
Stop saying
fudge.
nitrogen monoxide.
No, I'm
Finally, we got a new angel after waiting so long.
Consequences, or stop it.
disgust monoxide.
I can't take this anymore. Stop.
For the 43 charts
And by mean IT, stop saying disgust monoxide, or else I will beat you up. Just shut up.
You know.
Stop saying fake so many times.
You know what? That's it. You're gonna pay. This is what you get for saying disgust monoxide. Because I don't like that kind of mental of clone I have to deal with.
Insane.
Because you won't shut up, you're also getting on my
Among
damn
Us.
nerves.
Come back here. You are gonna get beaten up too.
We will stay here when they are stopped.
Okay.
Free angel monoxide. Stop saying free angel monoxide.
No more notifications.
Soup with rice. Stop talking.
I muted the audio, so I don't have to hear that loud microwave sound.
Who said
I'm joining
me?
the chase.
Ouch.
Ow, that really
Ouch.
hurt.
That hurt.
No,
Nitrogen
I'm
monoxide.
stuck.
Why are
How did this happen? I'm really shocked.
monoxide?
Ice in the
Whoa, you all scared me.
monoxide.
Easier, Angel. Please change the background. Nitrogen monoxide.
Stop saying nitrogen monoxide.
What? Nitrogen monoxide.
Stop saying nitrogen monoxide.
Wow, this is the most beautiful background ever.
I agree.
You don't
This
remember.
background is amazing.
I'm glad you guys like it.
Well, what do we do now?
Let's
I don't
wait
know.
markers,
I think we should
gimkits,
wait for
and
more
other
difficulty.
characters.
We should wait for more
Okay.
Klasky
But if
Csupo
my
effects
aid
to
clone or
come.
your aid clone comes back, I will rage.
Peachy here.
Him. Everything's silent.
Klasky Csupo is here.
Everyone, how is
Gagog.
it going?
Oh, hey there, Klasky Csupo. Nice to meet you.
Haven't seen you in a while. How have you been?
Nice to meet you guys. I've been good for the past 5 days.
That's good to hear.
Yeah.
Oh, come
it's not stupid of
on. Not
us.
again.
Okay.
Despair.
I said
your
stop
language.
swearing.
Make your language insane.
Klasky Csupo monoxide.
Stop saying Klasky
Stop saying
Csupo
Klasky
monoxide.
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 Though I'm mad at you for saying that.
Stop IT.
Oh no, not you two.
NCGG CNCG NCNG CNVG VBM
Stop saying gibberish.
MVMS.
No, I hate broccoli, and I hate germs. You made me mad, and stop this chaos. Shut up right now, and I mean it. No more chaos.
Easier angel monoxide.
I hate of difficulties that are mental.
I hate you. Insane. Are you okay?
I can't take this anymore. I just want to scream and destroy everything in the entire video.
No, please don't.
No, nitrogen monoxide, nitrogen monoxide, nitrogen
Why
monoxide,
did insane
nitrogen
the story? The
monoxide.
whole scene. Now it's white background.
It's not destroy, it's destroy.
There's nothing to do. So I'll just...
Why did you do that?
I know where you live.
Wait, what?
Well, I have no other words. C major monoxide.
Stop saying C major monoxide.
Nitrogen monoxide.
Nitrogen monoxide.
Stop saying nitrogen monoxide.
Nitrogen monoxide.
Stop saying nitrogen monoxide silver marker.
Proud City monoxide. Final Marcus Monoxide.
Maximum.